In our edition this month, we go full electric, kicking it off with the 2021 Tesla Model S on our cover story. In the truck world section, we look at the 2022 GMC Hummer EV. The history of Lamborghini automobile starts in 1963, and nevertheless, we must consider the distant roots of this event, and they're the roots of Ferruccio Lamborghini. Of course, Caro Shelby stars in the personality segment. What do you know about the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG electric drive? Know everything about this gorgeous beauty in the supercar section? The 2021 Volkswagen ID.4 is up in the SUV world section. For hatchbacks, we highlight the 2022 Mini Cooper Electric as we compare electric cars and gas cars on the versus mode segment. The Ferrari 250 GTO is on the poster feature in this issue. Renault Kangoo ZE is in a world of vans. And last but not least, Vision Mercedes Maybach 6 is in the segment of concept cars. All this and much more in our all-electric edition, the Overtake magazine, because we believe you should know more about this.